If you're wondering how to use this water-resistant body paint, you've come to the right place. Just open the container, spray 1 or 2 pumps of the mixing liquid into the paint, make sure the top of the paint is damp and not too dry. Stroke your brush back and forth to get a good coverage. And you're ready to paint. When you want to sponge, just spray the mixing liquid into the paint. Load the sponge with the paint and pounce the sponge on the skin. You can use the back of the sponge to blend colors. You can also build coverage if the color is too sheer. When you want to rinse your brush to switch colors, you can use a little bit of the mixing liquid, or you can rinse your brush in 99% rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol is not suggested to use directly on the skin or to activate the body paint, only to rinse your brush in between colors. After you rinse your brush, just wipe excess paint on a paper towel. When you're done painting your masterpiece, give 1 spritz of the mixing liquid into the container and place the lid on top tightly. And you are done. Body Color Cosmetics.